Guys, finally tumefika. We arrived at this place, this amazing place. I'm just about to take you to this place so that you can see the waterfall. It has been a long journey. Let me flip my camera so that you can see this water, very clear water. So let's keep walking. So those who may be asking where this place is, I come from Kisii, this Kisii land. And as you know, Kisii land receives a lot of rain. We have a lot of trees and you know, many streams. And of course, we have amazing places like this one. We have amazing places like this one. So these are very big waterfall, as you can see. Let me flip my camera again. All right, look at this. Ya nechimita irenga igochigo kurwa uchibura. 1, 2, 3, around 25 meters. So this cave, this waterfall is around 25 meters high. You can look at this. Wantung ko racha bali guys. So people normally come to see this place. It's an amazing place. Okay. Whew. Guys, I've never been here. Oh God. This place. I want to show you something. I've seen people who have written their names. Look at this. Somebody must have visited this place and written his name. A lot of names in this cave. It's a big cave. Actually, I can hear my echo. You see, there's somebody who's called Ombaso Mirera. A lot of names in this cave. Guys, this is amazing. This is very amazing. Oh, look at this place. It's a cave with a waterfall. Lot of names. Rhoda, Bossy, we have Peter. I wonder whether I'm going to write my name and leave it here. Yeah, this place. What I want to go watch it. So my driver is telling me he has been here 2 times. He has been here 2 times. Where? Look at this place. I'm flipping my camera so that you can look at this. So it's like rain. A lot of water coming from above. Look at where I'm standing. Then it's forming a rainbow, guys. Look at this. So please guys, if you're watching this video for the first time, or if you're a returning subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You like, share and comment. Of course, I'm going to bring you more stories. I'll travel to different places and I bring you some nice views like this one. Kindly share this video, like it and subscribe. A cave full of names. I think some people even came with paint. They used paint. Like this one is called Millie. We have Sophia, Zablon. Yeah. There's another one over here. Guys, this place is a thicket. Has a lot of vegetation. Sometimes you fear whether you can find snakes, but it's an amazing place to visit. Look at this. This place is amazing. And then we have a lot of indigenous trees. Some act like medicine, like this one, for cows, that is. Others have got they have thorns. Look at these leaves. They have thorns. So actually, we need to go up and see the source of this water. So my driver is telling me we move. Keep moving. We go the other side. And see whether we can go up. So, waterfall. Look at the waterfall. Look at it. Guys, sasa ine vitonkono lakini mbiamete. Whew. Coming from down there all the way up. Amazing Kisii land. A lot of trees have been cut. Deforestation. Look at this. Hey, human beings. We should be thankful to God for the natural resources that we have. So this is the source of the water falling down there. Very clean water. Actually, you can drink this water. Very clean. Oh my God. Look at this. Guys, this place is too far. It's not actually even 25 meters. Could be 30 meters or 35 down there. So this is the water. And then down there we have the waterfall. And then you can have the beautiful view on the hills over the horizon over there. Look at that. You can see the buildings, the shops at a distance. And you know guys, because this place is low, these trees over here, these trees growing over here, they have to grow so tall so that they can get sunlight. So look at this tree, it's so tall. Look at this. This tree is so tall. Look at that, amazing. So the trees behind me, these trees behind me, they grow so tall. Look at that. They have to grow so tall before they can get the sunlight. So guys, thank you for being with me in this short journey. This is an amazing place. But before we go, I'll take a picture for the thumbnail. Turn to a chansa. Left one. Turn right. What's I talk with? Yeah. Kangai katwa sawa tu. Lakini kana hata. Utoro za kandata.
Kera koru wako churo to kanga 20 minutes.
Ochepa. So guys, there's another way. We have come from this point here, but it's far compared to where we came from. So my driver is telling me we could have taken a longer time to be here. So we are going back. I want to take a thumbnail for my video before we can call it a day for you. Koro tu yani bitter. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If for the first time you find this video, my channel is Georgie. Please subscribe, share this video, comment, and I'll give you amazing content like this one over here. So till another day, peace.